that she had another quality, the way you used to look. And I know you never read a book, just the way that her hair fell down around her face. Then I recall my fall from grace. Another time, another place. Lady Whiter on the TV, she had all her brains in the picture. Picture does not fit. You talked to me when you felt like it, just the way that her hair fell down around her face. And I recall my fall from grace. Another time, another place. Yes, and you're a joy.